Our lives depend on energy. We're using energy faster than ever, and this is having a dramatic impact on our planet. What can we do to ensure the world we leave for our children is fit and healthy for the future? There is an answer, a way to maintain our lifestyle, protect the environment, and even save money. It's time to save energy. The global discovery of fossil fuels reached its peak over 40 years ago, and new discoveries are declining. Our reserves are running out. And yet we're using more energy now than ever before, and this is accelerating. It's just not sustainable. And when growing energy consumption meets limited supply, prices rise. So what consumes most of the world's energy? Surprisingly, industry uses the least energy. Transport uses slightly more, but by far the biggest user of energy is buildings, mainly our homes. And regardless of what type of home you live in or where it is, all this energy consumption from burning coal and gas is contributing to global warming and climate change. So what's the answer? There isn't a single solution. A combination of initiatives is needed. Renewable energy, for example, has an important role to play in reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. But cutting down on the amount of energy buildings use will have the biggest benefit. This is why UK building regulations now require new homes to be much more energy efficient, to the extent that by 2016 new homes must be zero carbon, and existing buildings will have their energy efficiency substantially increased, ideally by using building materials with a low environmental impact. So in our drive towards the zero carbon home, solar panels and combined heat and power generation at home using fuel cells will become commonplace. But one energy efficiency measure stands out from the rest. By far the quickest and most cost-effective way to save energy is by using insulation in our homes. The larger the temperature difference between the inside and outside, the faster a building loses heat in winter and absorbs it in summer. But by using glass and rock mineral wool insulation with its unique air-trapping properties, heat loss through conduction and convection can be significantly reduced. And the thicker the insulation, the less heat is lost. In Sweden, where the climate is colder and the winters longer, buildings use less energy because the mineral wool insulation is much thicker. That's 35% less energy per metre squared annually compared with the average for Europe. So mineral wool insulation is a proven energy saver. It's also a proven money saver. Adding glass mineral wool to an empty loft can pay for itself in just over 1 year, and from then on can save even more money as energy prices rise. And it's also an investment in our environment. Using glass wool insulation is one of the most sustainable choices of insulation available, as it's made from recycled glass, most of it from local bottle banks. And the company committed to providing energy-saving solutions with a low environmental impact is Knauf Insulation, a family business with global capability. As the largest UK manufacturer of insulation with state-of-the-art facilities across Europe, Knauf Insulation is committed to the global challenge of greater energy efficiency in buildings, using not only glass wool, the world's most popular insulation product, but also rock mineral wool. Knauf's research and development in glass and rock mineral wool technology has resulted in the most advanced products and packaging, providing our customers with the most cost-effective insulation to transport and warehouse. Providing homeowners with energy savings, comfort, A1 fire protection, sound absorption and sustainability. The range is simple to understand and has been developed to suit all applications and building types. For industrial walls and roofs, pitched roofs, timber frame walls, and the upgrading of external masonry cavity walls in existing houses. In all these applications, mineral wool insulation provides unbeatable advantages. But above all, Knauf Insulation saves energy to save you money. Now is the time for every architect, every construction professional and every homeowner to save energy. Every minute of every day, money's being wasted as energy escapes through the walls and roofs of millions of homes and businesses. But there is a solution to our energy and environmental challenges in designing buildings. There are many considerations for energy efficiency, one essential element of modern home construction: insulation. Knauf Insulation. It's time to save energy.